Starting off with politics. The Economic Freedom Fighters and the Congress of Traditional Leaders of South Africa say they're in agreement that Section 25 of the Constitution, which deals with the right of property ownership, should be amended. This as Parliament's Constitutional Review Committee is holding countrywide public hearings into whether the section should be amended. The Democratic Alliance says the plan by government to attempt to amend the Constitution will chase away investors. However, King of Amazulu, Goodwill Zwelithini, has said government should back off from the land issue. The King strongly warned that he would go to the Constitutional Court of the Inyoma Trust issue if the need arises. Thousands of pensioners were sent back home this week after their pensions were not paid out. After being told that their accounts had insufficient funds for withdrawal at ATMs, social grant recipients in Tadila Malomo and Disaneng villages on the outskirts of Mahikeng in the northwest took employees of the South African Social Security Agency hostage. They released them later in the day. SASSA says the non-payment was due to a technical glitch. A newly formed organisation, People Against Petrol and Paraffin Price Increase, is warning that government will face a national shutdown on July 27th if they do not immediately address issues around fuel price increases. This week, the price of petrol and diesel went up by around 26 a litre, paraffin by 22 cents a litre, and LP gas by 37 cents a kilogram. This is the fifth time that prices have increased since the beginning of the year. On to lifestyle trends. The name of the city of saints, Grahamstown, has been changed to Makhanda. It was gazetted after a public consultation process took place. Makhanda was a Xhosa warrior and spiritual leader who fought against British colonization. He is credited with attempting to unite the Xhosa in their struggle against the British Empire. The name change coincides with the National Arts Festival, popularly known as the Grahamstown Arts Festival, an established global brand. A cold front has the country in a tight grip, but as per usual, users on social media are seeing the lighter side of things. According to the SA Weather Services, the current cold front is just the beginning. And finally, government calls on all men to join the 100-men march on Tuesday in Pretoria and boldly declare that violence against women and children will not be tolerated. The march will start at 10 a.m. at Church Square in the city, and the men will march to the Union buildings. That's it for your social media wrap. For SABC News in Auckland Park, I'm Nina Oosthuizen.